All right, guys, so this is what I found. I gotta wash everything off. I think there's a diamond here. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing. So today we're checking out the TX650 metal detector. So let's get opening it up and see what's inside the box. All right, guys, welcome back. So inside the box, we get the metal detector. As you guys can see, it is nice and foldable. So that is a big plus. So you got the metal detector, you got your headset, so this would be plugged in. So you can have this without the headset on, but then everyone around you can hear what noises it makes. If you have the headset on, then you only, just you hear it. So nice adjustable headset, you can adjust it. Plenty of cable length for connecting it. And to connect it, let's see here. Well, we can check out that. Okay, so to connect it, it's right under the back here. We'll get to that in a minute. A nice carrying case for the metal detector. You get a manual, and they also provide you with batteries that are inside here. Also, a fully adjustable pickaxe and shovel. So, for example, you can use it as just a shovel. It also has a blade on here for cutting, as well as that, which looks almost like a bottle opener. You can have it that way. You can have it like this for picking, or you can have it like this. And for this, it's very simple. You just lift it up and you thread this piece until it's tight. So just like this, and now you're good to go. The base is inside here, so you just thread everything on. Very easy to do. There we go. There's a compass on the bottom as well. So yeah, once you thread this on, make sure everything is on nice and tight, and now you're good to go with digging. Again, if you want to just have it a regular shovel, you would then lower this to right there, and now you just re-thread it back up. This turns it into a full out shovel, just like that. So now you can just fully shovel. Make sure you got that threaded nice and tight. Let's see there. Okay, so we got more batteries inside here as well. We'll see if we need them all for the metal detector or not. But they are 4 AA batteries that they provide you with. So let's go ahead and open this up. Nice to keep your metal detector in place. So press the buttons on the side here to adjust this. So let's press it and lift. There we go. So it's going to get pretty big here in a moment. You just press it, and you can extend it out different ways. We're just going to do straight out for right now. This is also adjustable for your height. So as you guys can see here, that pulls out the whole way. It shows you don't go past the max. So we're going to just set it at the maximum right there. We just want to show you guys how far this actually goes out. So now for adjusting here, you would adjust this piece based off of, right there. Let's see. That's fully adjustable as well. So look how far you can adjust this. So you guys can adjust this very far. Makes it very nice. So let's go ahead and actually test this out, guys. First of all, though, the batteries go in the back here, and it looks like it takes all the batteries that they provide you with. So that's all right, guys. So now once you have it turned on, it goes and shows you here different indicators and whatnot. So make sure you read your manual and learn it. You can change the mode as well. You got automatic, manual, jewelry, custom, relics, coins, and you can change the sensitivity. A whole bunch of different things that you guys can do here. You can pinpoint it. So for pinpoint, Obviously it's gonna pick up so yeah, let's go and see. So I found a couple little things. So I don't know if that's charcoal or what, I don't know. What is that? It's extremely lightweight. Put that there. Alright, what do we got? What date is that? 1975, I believe. It's actually really good condition. It was underneath all this stuff. I don't know, what is that, guys? Pretty cool, guys. So it works good.